guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can show notification toast in Steam. So guys, notification toast basically means just notification. It's just a fancy word that Steam uses. So make sure you're not confused with that. And after that, just open your app and make sure you're logged in. Now all you need to do is open your settings and find notification toast. So you can just choose Command and comma to open it, or just go at the top where you can find Steam and tap on preferences. So preferences the same as settings, so don't get confused. And now all you need to do is find notifications, which should be right above interface. So after you go there, right at the top, you can see show notification toasts. So in order to see them, you just need to make sure that you have anytime on. So if you tap on when I'm not in game and never, and there's a chance it may not show, but if you tap at any time, the notification toast will appear all the time. So guys, that's how you show notification toast in Steam. Hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.